Hi. In the world of work and business, efficiency, creativity, and resilience are prized possessions when you incorporate it to cycling. By the way, if you're new here in my channel, this is Werner, my life in motion. Now, a routine cycling can significantly impact your, if you're a professional, an employee, an entrepreneur, business owner, and being resilient and aware. And cycling to work offers a unique wait. Oh man, those rats. Offers a unique perspective of physical fitness, right? I'm going to go over a rat. Oh man. Now, having to work it, you have to be productive. Oh man. Oh. Went down. You have to be productive. Starting your day with a good morning ride, a good breakfast, and oh man, this is getting deep. Cycling stimulates your blood and your energy, boosting your cognitive function, and this translates to good productivity during work or your business, sharper focus, faster problem solving, right? And with your employees who engage in activities, low impact cycling, which you could encourage them also, right? They would be able to have sorry for the if it's kind of and I'm at the trails. Oh man. And having a good mood after cycling during your work and interacting with your colleagues, it tends to boost morale, right? Discipline. Just like in cycling, when you ride in a group, you have those, what you call peloton, teamwork, right? So as not to a good effort on the bike leader. Oh, my glasses are falling. Oh, for a while. I'm gonna stop. Oh, it's hard to take a breather. Oh man. Through this regular biking, sometimes you have to take a rest to have a strategic walk. So And also, being the leader, it inspires your team to be like you or emulate this work habit that you have, the culture that you have imparted with your team, right? So, through cycling, it helps you meditate with much focus, just like in business, when you're at work, complex thinking and productive thinking is influenced by the mood that you have gathered this morning, right? I'm gonna take a walk. Forgot my water bottle. Now, strategic planning gets you freely without distractions. Just like there's a difference between solo riding and group riding. When you go on a solo ride, right, it reduces absenteeism. You are more focused, and you don't tend to go with the trend of who's faster, who's going there at the summit faster. Being a solo rider motivates you to have a more of endurance, and being on that mantra of being concentrated, or you are more, as I said, more focused on the task. Now, and when you expand with the team, the expense may be higher, but it's more manageable because you have delegated your things that can be handled by your team, right? Which is sustainable, and when you apply it to your team, just like in cycling, drafting is one way of enhancing your power. And by team dynamics also, when you apply it in your business or in your work, gives you a workflow that is smooth, except for some external or internal factors that you might be encountering. And cycling gives you, like in business, when you have this team, it accompanies your encourages your team to have a positive brand image, right? And forward thinking, which is more sustainable. Gonna turn around. Yeah. Having that balance when you work and then you enjoy your hobby, like whatever do you go an active lifestyle, running, swimming, cycling. It gives you that magandang hapon po, provides you a clear transition between home and work, right? And scrolling up, decompresses this pressure on work. And when you adopt cycling, gives you that mental and physical boost, and proper nutrition. That's like what I'm already planning to eat this evening. Okay, so hope you picked up some insights on this walking ride of mine, and hope to see you in the next vlog, and hope you success in every business or whatever you are on. Success on the, if you're in YouTube channel and a small creator like me, good luck to us, and always God bless, and with these gracious blessings, and cheers to you. Cheers, cheers, cheers.